Welcome to a summer day in my life. This was such a beautiful morning and the sun was shining, so we're switching from one cute gray outfit to another to head to some yoga and get onto the mat. This is actually going live on my YouTube channel, so if you want to do this exact routine and join me with it, check it out there. It's all about hip opening and releasing shoulders in order to help your posture, which I definitely need, and it was so awesome. I am in love with this hibiscus flower if you don't know yet. And then we're actually going into some cleaning because we always gotta do that in this tiny baby apartment. And putting on a cute summer dress, of course. We're heading into work and starting the day off super strong. For kind of like a breakfast lunch kind of situation, we actually had broadside, which essentially is just bread with whatever topping you want. And then I'm actually going to go horseback riding with a friend of mine who took me, and it was so lovely. Emilia really helped me to get back into the groove of being around horses because it was kind of intimidating at first, but also was a small baby horse. I think it's called Icelander. Don't pin me down on that, but it was so much fun and just such a cool way to just spend time outdoors. It was absolutely lovely, and you can see in my face how happy I am. This was definitely like a healing my inner child kind of experience. I was just having the best time, and I couldn't stop laughing out loud when we were going a bit faster. So thank you again, Emilia, for taking me. It was so lovely. And it truly was such an amazing day for it, and riding through the wildflowers, it was so nice. Heading back, the amazing horsey got some food and he couldn't wait for it. He was waiting in front of the door, which I thought was hilarious. And riding back, we actually had a little scooter gang moment because she was also there with a scooter, which I thought was absolutely hilarious. And then going back home, I actually had to go to university first to have a meeting with one of my professors, but she wasn't there, so whatever, I still need to have that meeting actually. But look at how beautiful the sky is. I just cannot get over this weather. It was so nice, which is why we're heading straight into taking a little dip at like a local little baby stream, and it was just lovely. I was all by myself. I was tanning, and I actually fell asleep for like half an hour and just knocked out in the sun, which was perfect. Good morning, part 2. You can definitely tell I am still sleepy. And you know when your nap was good when you have these lines on your body, am I right? So yeah, the water was incredible. I absolutely loved it. Dipping into the water every day when it's summertime is definitely one of my goals, and I don't do it every day, which I definitely should, but it's just, it's the best time. Feeling very refreshed, we're heading back home, and I actually needed to get some more work done, so we're just doing some editing, uploading a video, creating a little thumbnail, which you have already seen that, and then also some university work. I prepared dinner, talked to my friend, and then actually went skating with Johanna, which was a very last minute thing. So we went back to the same stream, I had my dinner, and then we actually just skated into the sunset, which, let me tell you, it was so beautiful. The clouds were insane, and just skating with her was a lot of fun because we haven't really seen each other a lot in the last few months, so it was great just connecting with her, and it was so cool. And now look at me pulling into the tube and getting pitted. Skating was so much fun that day, and I could not get enough of the clouds. As you can see, shot 1, shot 2, shot 3, dude, it was popping off. The colors were insane, so I just didn't stop filming them at all, as you can tell. And then I actually went to visit Luce at work because he was working at like an outdoor opera thing, which he was just handing out drinks, and they actually separated this hill off of traffic, so we were able to skate down it, and I did it multiple times. And the nightly skate session was sublime, and I just really enjoyed this day because it was just a fun summer day. I was doing so many cool things. I was hanging out with friends. It was like living life to the fullest. It was the absolute best. So we had a great time, and look at Luis ripping off on his handboard. Like, I love him. He's so cute. And actually, I don't know if you know that song, but I'm just gonna let it play here because I was enthralled. Maybe I should go to the opera house too. Listen to this. Thank you for watching this little vlog in my life, and I will see you next time. Sleep well. Bye bye.